Your fitness empire awaits. Are you passionate about fitness? Do you dream of turning that passion into a thriving business? You're in the right place. Starting a fitness business can be incredibly rewarding. It's about sharing your love for health and wellness while empowering others to become their best selves. This journey requires dedication, knowledge, and a strategic approach. But trust me, the rewards are worth every ounce of effort. This guide will provide you with a roadmap to navigate the exciting world of fitness entrepreneurship. From defining your niche to building a loyal client base, we'll cover the essential steps to launch and grow your very own fitness empire. Get ready to transform your passion into a successful and fulfilling career. Let's get started.
Finding your fitness niche. What's your passion? The fitness world is vast and diverse. To stand out, you need to find your niche. What are you truly passionate about? Is it high-intensity interval training, yoga, strength training, or something else entirely? Your niche should ignite your fire and resonate with your target audience. Think about the type of clients you want to attract. Are you drawn to helping athletes reach peak performance? Or perhaps you're passionate about guiding beginners on their fitness journey. Identifying your ideal client is key to tailoring your services and marketing efforts effectively. Once you've pinpointed your passion and ideal client, you can craft a unique selling proposition, USP. Your USP is what sets you apart from the competition. It could be your specialized training methods, personalized approach, or commitment to a specific community. Embrace your individuality and let it shine through your brand.
Know your competition, know your client. Before diving headfirst into your fitness venture, it's crucial to understand your playing field. Thorough market research is essential for identifying your competitors, their strengths and weaknesses. Analyze their pricing strategies, marketing tactics, and target audience. Equally important is understanding your potential clients. What are their fitness goals, challenges, and aspirations? Conduct surveys, engage in conversations, and immerse yourself in their world. This knowledge will help you tailor your services to meet their specific needs and preferences. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your competition and your target market, you can position your business strategically and make informed decisions that drive success. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and always be one step ahead.
Blueprint for success: crafting your business plan. A well-structured business plan is the foundation of any successful venture. It outlines your business objectives, strategies, and financial projections. Start by defining your business mission and vision. What impact do you want to make in the fitness world? Next, outline your services, pricing structure, and target market. Detail your marketing and sales strategies. How will you reach your ideal clients and convince them to choose your services? Be specific and realistic in your projections. Your business plan should also include a financial analysis. Estimate your startup costs, operating expenses, and revenue projections. This financial roadmap will guide your decision-making and help you secure funding if needed. A comprehensive business plan is your roadmap to success.
The legal legwork: permits, licenses, and insurance. Navigating the legal side of starting a business can seem daunting, but fear not, it's a manageable process. Start by registering your business and obtaining the necessary permits and licenses. Requirements vary depending on your location and business structure, so research thoroughly. Insurance is crucial to protect yourself and your business from potential risks. Liability insurance safeguards you against claims of injury or damage. Property insurance protects your equipment and physical space. Consult with a legal professional and insurance broker to determine the specific requirements for your fitness business. Having the proper legal and insurance coverage in place provides peace of mind and allows you to focus on what you do best, helping clients achieve their fitness goals.
Location: setting up your fitness space. Choosing the right location for your fitness business is paramount. Consider your target audience, budget, and the type of services you offer. Will you be operating from a dedicated studio, a commercial gym, or offering mobile services? Once you've secured a location, it's time to outfit your space with the necessary equipment. Prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in essential pieces that align with your niche and target audience. Remember, your space should be welcoming, safe, and motivating for your clients. Create an environment that reflects your brand and fosters a sense of community. Consider the layout, lighting, and overall ambiance. A well-designed and equipped space can significantly enhance your client's experience and contribute to their success.
Marketing and building your fitness community. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. Create a professional website that showcases your services, testimonials, and contact information. Leverage social media platforms to connect with potential clients, share valuable content, and build a community. Networking is equally important. Attend industry events, collaborate with other fitness professionals, and engage with your local community. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly powerful. Offer incentives for existing clients to refer their friends and family. Remember, building a thriving fitness community takes time and effort. Be authentic, engage with your audience, and consistently provide value. By nurturing your community, you'll create a loyal following that supports your business for years to come.
Client relationships, the heart of your business. In the fitness industry, building strong client relationships is paramount. Listen attentively to your clients' goals, challenges, and feedback. Tailor your approach to their individual needs and provide ongoing support and motivation. Communication is key. Maintain regular contact with your clients, whether it's through in-person, checking, emails, or phone calls. Celebrate their successes, offer encouragement during challenging times, and always strive to exceed their expectations. Remember, your clients are the heart and soul of your business. By fostering strong relationships built on trust, respect, and genuine care, you'll create a loyal client base that refers new business and becomes an integral part of your fitness community.
Ready, set, launch. Taking the leap into fitness entrepreneurship. Starting a business can be both exhilarating and daunting. But remember, you've put in the work, you've planned meticulously, and you're passionate about your vision. Now is the time to take the leap of faith and launch your fitness empire. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually scale your business. Focus on delivering exceptional service, building strong relationships, and constantly seeking ways to improve. Embrace the challenges that come your way as opportunities for growth and learning. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, fellow entrepreneurs, and cheerleaders who believe in your vision. Celebrate your successes along the way and remember to enjoy the journey. You've got this.
Overcoming challenges, celebrating successes. The path to entrepreneurship is rarely linear. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. The key is to approach these obstacles with resilience, adaptability, and a positive mindset. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Don't be afraid to seek support from mentors, business coaches, or fellow entrepreneurs who have navigated similar challenges. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Surround yourself with a supportive network that can offer guidance, encouragement, and a fresh perspective. Equally important is celebrating your successes along the way. Acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. Celebrating your wins will fuel your motivation and keep you inspired on your entrepreneurial journey.
Conclusion: your fitness journey starts now. Embarking on the journey of building a fitness empire is an exciting and rewarding endeavor. It requires passion, dedication, and a strategic approach. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to turning your fitness dreams into a reality. Remember to define your niche, understand your market, and craft a comprehensive business plan. Take the necessary legal and administrative steps. Choose the right location and equip your space thoughtfully. Embrace effective marketing strategies and prioritize building strong client relationships. Most importantly, believe in yourself and your vision. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and never stop learning and growing. The fitness industry is brimming with opportunities for passionate individuals like you. Now is the time to take charge, make a difference, and create the fitness empire of your dreams. Your fitness journey starts now.
We hope you liked the video and it is useful to you. We are sure that it has been able to inspire you to choose what direction you are going to take when starting your business. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and activate the notification bell. Share us. We hope to see you in the next video.